Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter at home. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, which give the best flavor. A small pinch of salt is essential to bring out the nutty taste. For a creamier texture, have 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, ready. Now let's get blending. Place your roasted peanuts into a food processor or a high-speed blender. Begin processing, and you'll notice the peanuts first turn into a coarse meal, then a crumbly paste. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl often to ensure even blending. Keep blending. The peanuts will release their natural oils, transforming into a smooth, creamy butter. If you prefer a thinner consistency, slowly drizzle in that 1 tablespoon of oil while the machine is running. Now is also the perfect time to taste and adjust the salt, or add a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Once your peanut butter reaches perfection, transfer it into an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Homemade peanut butter is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it on toast, with apple slices, or as a delicious ingredient in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.